Good morning everyone, it's Clara from Joy of Space, and I chose the name for my business because I would love everyone to feel joyful in their own space. So I feel like we're in a children's TV programme, not Rainbow, you know, the one where they say behind the round window. Anyway, behind this door is a large storage cupboard. It is my action station currently, but you can see from here, it previously had a drop down desk, so it's been used as, and it had a light in it, it's been used as a study area, the doors were off, or a drawing area for the kids. It's also been used as a wee den for my daughter with fairy lights and cushions and lovely rugs. But anyway, so these are things, decisions that are yet to be completely made, things that are in transit. This is a spray for your car or your dog. I've had it 9 months. It was a gift from our Borrow My Dog, Tia's human. Don't know if I'm keeping it. I'm going to try it once and decide. These are electrical things that I've not decided if I'm keeping the boxes for or where they're being stored. Kids, sentimental items, kids, the tiny wee first clothes of Jack and Emil, their drawings and cards they've made me, sentimental things I've kept. I only keep as much as will fit in these 2 size of boxes, which is a good thing. If things are overspilling the area that you've got allocated for a certain item, then you know it's time to have a look through, keep what you love and let go of the rest. So this is the amount of space I've allocated. This is a photo album. These are projects that have to be completed. So that is the amount of photos and negatives we own. So they have to go in there. Not ready to do that one yet. This is a scarf I'm knitting and the balls of wool to go with it. These are sewing projects. One is bunting, and this top needs the camisole taken out of it, and iron, little used. My daughter was 4 before she knew what an iron was. We're not an ironing household. Our sewing things. This is an attachment for a hoover I'm not sure I'm keeping. Kids' art supplies. Again, vertical storage, you'll get more room. Kids' art supplies. These are books that are in transit. They have to go to somebody. These are library books to go back when the library opens. Batteries, and those are just to go in there. A gift that's awaiting given to the person. This is a rug I was given to decide whether I'm donating or selling it. This is the massage table for my kiddie winks to give them massages. This is for IKEA. It was bought before lockdown. It's to go back. These are boots that I was given that just don't quite suit me. I got for Christmas, but I'm just going to give them one more try before I just let them go. This is a picture I've had up for years. It's a beach hut that I'm deciding if I'm donating or selling. It's no longer it gives me joy. Will give someone else joy. And this was a lockdown purchase. It's a crepe maker. I don't like baking, although I could use it for savoury. I've used it once, but maybe someone else would enjoy it more. And these are bags and clothes in here that I'm making a decision about. So that's that cupboard. At the top of the stairs here, I have my keys, so they're close to purpose. The front door's down there. I don't know, I just like to have them closer to me at night time. That's where we keep them. This is a receipt that was under there because this top is being returned, so that was to prompt me. This has been posted back at the post office. These are the kids' art things that they like to chalk on outside for when they're inspired to do art. This is the dogs' things close to hand. These are my pegs because we get through a lot of laundry, so that's what suits us. Then the kids can easily take that outside, and I don't know, I just like that basket. These are an overspill of things that have to go, a carload of items for asylum seekers that people have been donating. That's a phone and just some puzzles, a spare car seat of Emil's, bedding. And this is an example of a piece of storage that you can use. We use not for its purpose but for what suits us. So it is a drinks cabinet, but we use it for shoes. Emil's smaller shoes here, gardening things, shoe spray, and our door is here, so it's close to purpose. and I just love this. It gives me joy every single time I open it. So lovely chatting with you. Have a good week.